You probably, as everyone, have enjoyed wasting a couple hours of your day playing some good old video games. But haven't you thought about the dream of playing them and getting paid for doing so? Well, I would definitely love that, so I found a solution for you guys. Today we'll be covering a project which will be paying you for spending your time playing their games. Sounds interesting? Well, then stick around as we will be exploring BinaryX. Let's get straight into this. So here we are on the website, and if you have been a loyal viewer of my channel, then you have probably remembered this project. It's an initial game offering project company, if you can call it. And basically, we have already reviewed this project, and you can see the review up in the top right corner. You can go check it out to follow up on the project if you haven't before. But the reason we are back at this again is because of their newly released game, which we'll be reviewing today, and that is AI Hero, which is open for beta testing right now. It's an MMORPG game on the Binance Smart Chain network. Its launch date is yet to be announced. You can't download it yet, but you can only play it in browser. And let's do this right now. Let's just wait till it loads. You can select our language, as it's meditation only. There are only 2 languages. That is, I think, Chinese or English. And then we can connect our wallet. We have multiple choices, so no worries. Whatever our wallet you're using, we'll be using MetaMask. Let us log in right here, sign the contract, and then we can play right here. So in this game, it's very simple actually. Here we can see our wallet link, and then we have 2 variables which we can select from, which is our race, human or dragon, health, dwarf, and our class, warrior, mage, priest, rogue, knight, assassin. So there are a lot of different combinations, as you can imagine. I'll be an elf and I'll be a royal. Once ready with this, we can go ahead and start our gameplay. Now, matching means that we're looking for players to play with. There will be total 12 players each game. The purpose of this game, as you can see, is to defeat our enemies and search the map and equip ourselves with some valuable material. Here it has loaded, as we can see that we are already in the gameplay, and there are total of 12 remaining people. As we covered, 12 players per lobby. The hero rank is currently 1 and we have 0 kills. You can see when the game starts, we're equipped with nothing, no sword nor helmet, nor clothes, nor any potions. Here you can see our stats. What do you do here? Well, here you can see the map, and this is where we are. The blinking dot is us, the red dots are other players, and we can move around the map using these arrows. We can get 1 move, and every move you make, you get a challenge. Either you can abandon it or you can challenge it. As you can see, if we make a move right here, we'll be walking towards the west, and then here we can see a challenge, or we can abandon it. Let's give this a challenge. Here you can see that we'll need 82 charisma or 50 wisdom to win, and we have neither of those, so the chances are 50 wisdom is the nearest, and we'll roll the dice to see if we win. So you can see that we rolled 12, and NX5 plus 11 of our current wisdom overpowers the difficulty of 50, gaining us a mysterious plant of flower of life. Now here you can see this is where we are, and we can move again, let's say towards the west. Again, once we move, we get challenged, so we can run this challenge again. Here you can see that we need either 89 strength or 49 charisma to win the challenge. Let's choose charisma, and then let's roll the dice. Here you can see that we won again, and we got flower of life and spirit herb, all of the glove. And if you haven't noticed here, the map is shrinking every 3 minutes if I'm not wrong. Here we can see the countdown timer, and this is because so other players fight each other. As you can see the red dot, if I travel over here with my arrows, I'll challenge the player and we'll fight to the death, and whoever wins eliminates the other from the game. Last standing, of course, wins. Now here you can see again, 43 and 78. You can see that we have 44, so of course if we use this, we'll win whatever dice roll we get, right? So here we want some cotton, and we can see from the challenges we won, we collect some items which we can use to up our strength, charisma, agility, attack damage, defense, and so much many other things. And the attack and defense helps us win against other players so they would not kill us. Remember guys, every new game this resets, you lose all the items, you lose all the damage, etc. And here you can see that we lost this challenge and we lost our spirit herb virtually. Let's move downwards towards the south and let's dive this a challenge as well. Stats are pretty favorable for us on this one, so let's choose Autovism and hope for the best. And we lost again, unfortunately. We won't be playing this game until the end because we don't have enough time for this video to do so, but I think you understand the game pretty well. It's self-explanatory and it's very easy to navigate through. You just move with your arrows, you choose a challenge or you can abandon it, it's your choice. If you want to move to a player faster, you can abandon each challenge, or if you want to level up your stats, you can take the challenge and hope that you win it. With every one challenge, you get a chance to get a new item, which can upgrade your attack damage and your defensive abilities. We can also rest to bring our power back up, and then we can grab some items and we gain the materials to do so to equip on ourselves. Other than that, there is nothing much to do in the game to fight other players, but the UI is similar to that. Now with the game being covered, that's about it for the video guys. We covered the project and its features in the past videos, which I'll have linked down below again. But basically all I wanted to show you guys in this video is their new game, which is very enjoyable for me to play. Actually, I have played with several games already and I'm really enjoying it. Anyways guys, let me know your opinions down below about this project yourselves. I have a lot of fun reading them, and I definitely want your opinion on this project. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Stay safe and good luck in DeFi.